Good day to all the employers. I am Jonalyn Aranzaso, 32 years old from Herona, Tarlac, Philippines. I am married with two children ages 13 years old and 6 years old, both girls. I am a high school graduate but I study and graduated a caregiving course. I have a work experience here in the Philippines as a helper from 2001 to 2003, serving three members of the family, the husband and wife, and a 5 years old child. My duties are cleaning the house, doing the laundry, wash the dishes, ironing, cooking, and marketing. I also drop off and pick up the child in school. I have also a work experience here in the Philippines as a private caregiver, taking good care of an elderly age 83 years old mom. I accompanied my mom every time she walked, doing the exercises, and every time she need going to the toilet or bathroom, and I give her the medicine. I have also a work experience in Hong Kong as a helper from 2004 to 2005, serving three members of the family. My my sir is 73 years old, my mom is 33 years old, and a 6 years old boy. My duties are cleaning the house, doing the laundry, wash the dishes, ironing, cooking, gardening, and car washing. I also drop off and pick up the child in school and accompany the child in his badminton activity. But I'm only 5 months in their family because I got terminated. I do my job very well, but my mom always not satisfied. My mom is moody, I think because she is pregnant. She always got mad and angry with me. We have a language barrier between me and my mom because we cannot understand each other, and we need my sir need always to translate it so that I can understand every time she has want to say with me. Mom and sir, please give me a chance to work with your family because I assure you that I am kind, honest, and loyal person, and I can work without any supervision, and I have a more patience, especially to the children. And I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and be a good helper to your family. Thank you.